Hi, I'm Karin. I'm a communication strategist from Sweden, and I help professionals around the world speak calmly and clearly, even in a second language. And today I want to talk about something that took me years to understand. You don't need to be loud to be heard. You just need to be clear. I still remember one of my first big meetings in English. It was a room full of people, confident voices, big personalities, and lots of opinions flying around. I wanted to share an idea, but no one stopped talking. So I tried to speak louder and louder, and you know what? People didn't listen more. They listened less. Then one of the senior managers spoke up. He didn't raise his voice. In fact, he spoke so softly that everyone had to lean in to hear him. And that's when I realized powerful communication isn't about volume. It's about presence. In Sweden, we're used to space and quiet. We don't compete to be the loudest voice in the room. And that calmness is something I've learned to bring into my international work too. Because calm doesn't mean weak. It means controlled. When you lower your volume, you raise your authority. People stop listening to respond and start listening to understand. So, how do you make people listen without raising your voice? Slow down your rhythm. Most people speak faster when they're nervous, but when you slow down, you sound confident. And others can follow your ideas easily. Use silence strategically. Try pausing for a second before your key message. That moment of quiet tells your audience something important is coming. End your sentences with strength. Many people trail off at the end, especially when they're unsure. But when you finish your thought, you send a signal. I believe in what I just said. Now I do this all the time, even in English, and it still surprises people. They expect energy, maybe volume, but instead they get clarity and calm. And that's when they really start to listen. You don't need to compete for attention. You just need to earn it. Because your voice isn't powerful because it's loud. It's powerful because it's yours. If this interested you, subscribe for more tips on clear, calm communication the Swedish way.